Question. What is a mitzvah? A commandment. That they are full of mitzvot, of commandments, as a rimon, as a pomegranate. What then is called a mitzvah? Talk about it. Each one throw half a word in there and maybe something will come out of it. What do we gain from the ascents and what do we gain from the descents? Why do they need to come one after the other? And what do we gain from each state? Does it start from an ascent or from a descent? Or a descent in an ascent or an ascent in a descent? From this entire tact, we benefit.
It says that an embryo in his mother's womb sees the entire world from one end to the other and achieves everything, and then when the time of birth comes, then he receives some kind of gets this kind of, like, let's call it a strike, a kind of blow, and turns upside down and comes out into this world. What happens in us in that state where we turn upside down, in that state of birth? What happens to our desires, our thoughts, our entire perception of reality? Say what you think. How is it? What happens there? Why does the embryo grow up with or develop with the head when it's pointing up and is born with the head pointing down? Why does the embryo grow with his head pointing up and is born with his head pointing down?
Rav, how do we define a descent and an ascent? What are we blessing over exactly during the ascent? Go ahead.
How exactly do we give him contentment? How exactly do we give the Creator contentment? What is it that we do that gives him contentment?
Rav, is there an answer? In what do we give contentment? No? You don't know? Anyone who raises his hand, he doesn't know. This I can tell in advance. Yuda, let's see you. No, hero. You don't even have a mic.
Contentment. We give him contentment by allowing him to connect us.
Connect between us.
Yeah.
That's nice.
No.
Simple answer. What did you do? I'm sorry, practical.
To add to that, also dissemination to give him contentment.
Okay, also correct.